Look around you, the buildings, the traffic lights, the power grids, even the device you are watching this on. What if I told you that within the next 5 years, human beings will no longer be the ones managing them? We are on the verge of a technological shift so massive, it makes the invention of the internet look like a warm-up. It is called a digital twin, and it is already replacing human inspectors, manual urban planners, and traditional engineers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring the mind-bending reality of digital twins. By 2025, over 500 cities around the world will be running on these virtual replicas. But what exactly is a digital twin? How does it differ from the metaverse? And most importantly, how is this technology actively replacing human labor in our future cities? If you want to understand the exact technology that will govern your life in the next half-decade, stick around and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. To understand how a digital twin replaces human effort, we first need to clear up a massive misconception. A digital twin is not just a 3D model or a simulation. A 3D model is static. It shows you what an object looks like. A simulation is a closed experiment. But a digital twin is a living, breathing virtual representation of a physical object or system powered by continuous real-time data. Through the Internet of Things, IoT, millions of sensors are attached to physical assets like a bridge, a wind turbine, or an entire city grid. These sensors constantly beam data into the virtual replica. It creates a two-way feedback loop. The physical world informs the digital twin. And AI algorithms inside the twin run predictive analytics to send optimal commands back to the physical world. Companies like Siemens, IBM, and Microsoft are building these right now. The result? We no longer have to guess what will happen when a system is stressed. The twin already knows. So, how does this replace humans? Let's look at the people who design our cities. In the past, designing a neighborhood took teams of urban planners months of manual drafting. Today, we use generative urban design inside a digital twin. You give the AI strict parameters, like maximizing sunlight and ensuring walkability, and within minutes, it generates thousands of perfect city layouts. In Japan, Daiwa House Industry uses this to tackle high-density housing constraints. In Norway, algorithmic design tools create denser developments that never feel cramped. The AI isn't just drawing lines, it's simulating the real-world physics of those buildings before a single brick is laid. Take Virtual Singapore, the gold standard of national-scale twins. It integrates geometry, live IoT sensors, and demographic data. Planners don't need a team of human analysts to guess if a new skyscraper will block wind patterns or where the best spots for solar panels are. The twin simulates it flawlessly. When human guesswork is replaced by flawless AI simulation, cities save up to 30% on infrastructure and planning costs. But it's not just white-collar design jobs. Digital twins are actively replacing the manual labor required to maintain our infrastructure. Traditionally, human inspectors had to hang off bridges, monitor water pipes, and manually check electrical grids. Now we have asset twins and system twins. Researchers at ETH Zurich have developed an AI assistant paired with a digital twin that predicts how a bridge will handle heavy loads or extreme weather years before a physical pothole even appears. By continuously monitoring conditions remotely, officials can dispatch maintenance teams only exactly when needed. This is called predictive maintenance, and it can reduce downtime by up to 40%. In smart cities, live optimization of transport networks via digital twins improves traffic flow, reduces emissions, and slashes emergency response times by up to 50%. We are replacing reactive human management with proactive, autonomous digital management. The city practically runs itself. So, where does this leave us in 5 years? We won't just be looking at digital twins on a screen, we will be stepping inside them. This is where the digital twin meets the metaverse. The metaverse promises a stunningly realistic 3D digital world where businesses, consumers, and public spaces interact. Imagine walking through a digital twin of a retail space to buy real goods, or city planners standing together in a collaborative VR environment to test the exact flooding impact of a climate disaster in real time. With the UK's National Digital Twin Programme and the Gemini principles leading the charge for data standards, we are building a secure, interconnected federation of twins. So, will digital twins replace humans in 5 years? The truth is, they will replace human limitations. They will replace our slow manual drafting, our dangerous physical inspections, and our reactive guesswork. They will elevate us from being the cogs in the machine to becoming the ultimate decision makers, managing living, cognitive cities that adapt to our needs instantly. I want to hear from you. Are you terrified of handing over control to an AI-powered digital twin, Or are you ready for the zero-traffic cities of tomorrow? Let's debate in the comments below. If this video blew your mind, hit that like button, share it, and subscribe. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the digital world.